Welcome back, everybody. My name is Monica Ayala here at Riverside Hyundai, and today we're going to talk about screen layout on the 2026 Hyundai Kona. To access your layout, swipe to the left, Setup, Screen Layout. You will be provided three options. Cluster Theme Selection. It gives you different graphic styles. You have Style A, Style B, Style C, or you can also link to your driving mode. You also have different gauge styles. You have Simple, Modern, and Classic. Each one has style A, B, and C. You also have your screensaver, where you have access to your clock, different options on your clock layout, and if you want to see how the clock looks like, just press and hold the volume button. You also have your split screen. This is where you can enable or disable which widget you want on your map. You can also reorganize them. Press and hold. And if you want to see how they look like, just go to the map. And you can swipe up and down. Thank you guys for watching. Any comments, drop them down below, and we'll see you soon.